Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Thursday, August 17th, 2023. It is 3:27 and 17 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, neurorehabilitation. So let's come to it here. Robotic exoskeletons, a neurorehabilitation for acquired brain injury, determining the potential for recovery of overground walking. Date August 15, 2023. Source: Kessler Foundation. Developing a framework for future research requires a comprehensive approach based on diagnosis, stage of recovery, and domain. Acquired brain injury was defined as cerebral palsy, traumatic brain injury, or stroke. The review focused on 57 published studies of overground training and wearable robotic exoskeleton devices. The manuscript provides a comprehensive review of clinical and preclinical research on the therapeutic effects of various devices. Despite rapid progress in robotic exoskeleton design and technology, the efficacy of such devices is not fully understood. This review lays the foundation to understand the knowledge gaps that currently exist in robotic rehabilitation research. As citing the many variables among the devices and the clinical characteristics of acquired brain injury, the control mechanisms vary widely among these devices. For example, which has a major influence on how training is delivered. There is also a wide variety in other factors that affect the trajectory of recovery, including the timing, duration, dosing, and intensity of training in these devices. As developing a framework for future research requires a comprehensive approach based on diagnosis, stage of recovery, and domain. Through this approach, you will find the optimal ways to use lower extremity robotic exoskeletons to improve mobility in individuals with acquired brain injury. It is important to note that the review is unique in presenting both the downstream, functional, biomechanical, physiological, and upstream clinical evaluations after rehabilitation using various robotic devices for different types of acquired brain injury. Each device needs to be evaluated by domain and each population throughout all stages of recovery. This is a necessary scope for determining the response to treatment. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.